Okay, let's set up Cloud AI. I'm just going to use the AI setup. So I'm just going to scroll down and click on Setup AI, and that will open up the pop-up. Click on Start Scan. And now I'm going to click on Cloud AI and click on Use This Mode. This is going to pop up with some options in relation to which provider you want to use. You will find the links in the descriptions for all of the providers on this list. We're just going to preview Anthropic and the Gemini free API key. I'll start off with the Gemini free API key. So if you click on this one, when you click on the Google AI Studio link in the description, this window will pop up. You need to agree to both of these options here and click on Continue. And then you can click on the Create API Key button. You want the Gemini API key, and you can leave it with the default Gemini project. So I'm going to click Create Key. I'm just going to copy this key here. And jump back into the AI Setup tab. And I'm just going to paste my key in here and click on, actually I'll just click on Verify Key first. Format looks correct, and click on Continue. And I'll just click on these. That looks good. This page will make suggestions on features that you may find useful. Once you click Apply and Finish, these features will be automatically turned on. For Claude, again, the link is in the description. If you just click on this, we can just sign in with Google. And you can define yourself as an individual. Once you've purchased credits on the system, you will get to this page and you can just click on Get API Key here. And I can just click Create Key. You can apply a name to that if you'd like as well. Now that I've copied the key, I can quickly jump back to the AI setup page and paste in my key. Just going to verify that to make sure everything is okay, and then click on Continue. I'll just click on these and continue again. And it'll take a little while to just load up the page. And that looks good. Perfect. And apply and finish.